Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from audio software called Audacity, and in today's video I would like to show you how to remove background noise from your audio. So as you can see, here is our recording.
Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension.
Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot of noise in the audio. As you can see here, the noise is going up to -45, and in the beginning,
Great.
even to -36. So basically we want to remove the noise. So in first step you need to select the part in which there is not your recorded audio but only free sound of background, the clear noise sound. So this is why if you know you will need to remove your noise from the audio, that is good to make at least few second pause in your recording to actually you could get the noise from this part. So select this part, click on the effects and click on the noise reduction. As you can see, there are two steps. We will go with first step firstly, but we will need to set up the step 2. So noise reduction, actually on this number depends how much of your noise will be removed. If you will click the maximum, there will be, I would say, almost the same noise as in the beginning of the video, and if you will click it on 0, it will delete all of the noise, but there is actually a possibility that that will remove some of the sounds of your main audio which you recorded. So you don't want it. The optimal levels are between 6 and 12, so let's keep it on the 10. Sensitivity, let's keep at default 10. I tried various sensitivity levels. I tried 6, I tried 15, and I have to say at the 10 that was the best result, at least for me. The frequency smoothing bands I'm keeping at the 0. So now click on Get Noise Profile, and by this step actually the software took out the noise profile of the selected part, so it got noise profile of our noise. Now let's select the whole audio from which we want to delete the noise. So you can do it just by click on the edge and drag, or you can simply click Ctrl+A to select all, or you can go to edit, select and all. So after you selecting the all audio you want to remove noise from, you will click on effect and then repeat noise reduction. After clicking on repeat noise reduction, it will actually run the step 2, in which it will remove our noise from the all selected audio. So we can listen to it now, and you can see that there is not much noise in the free parts and in the all audio at all as it was in the beginning.
Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension.
Okay, so that is all for this video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope it helped you. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Audacity, just hit like or subscribe to this channel. If you want, you can follow us on our social media, for example Instagram, link in description, where you can know what next video is live. And if you want to support our tutorial channel project, you can become our patron on Patreon, link in the description too. So that's all for this video. Really, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you at the next video.